Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect circles in IbisPaint X. This guide will walk you through using the specialized tools available to achieve flawless circular shapes with ease. You will learn to activate the dedicated circle ruler, ensuring every curve is 100% perfect. We will cover positioning, drawing, and customizing your circles, making your artwork look professional and polished. Get ready to transform your drawing skills. To begin, find the ruler icon, which looks like a small ruler located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the circle ruler option. Once activated, a perfect circular guide will appear on your canvas. You can easily drag its center to your desired position and use the small handles to precisely adjust its radius, making it larger or smaller as needed for your design. With your circle ruler in place, select any brush from your brush palette and choose your desired color. Now, simply draw along the path of the circular guide. The ruler will automatically snap your strokes to its perfect curve, ensuring a smooth and consistent circle every single time. You can draw multiple lines, vary your brush pressure, or even use different brush types to create unique textures and effects within your perfectly formed circle. After drawing your circle, you can further customize it. Adjust the ruler's radius to create circles of many different sizes, from tiny details to large focal points. For quick coloring, use the Fill Bucket tool to instantly fill your perfect circle with a solid color. Consider duplicating the layer to create multiple identical circles or to experiment with different effects without altering your original. Consistent practice will make these steps second nature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.